Welcome back one more time to Cooking with Gloria. My name is Gloria and today I want to prepare for you a chicken bake made at home with very delicious ingredients, and I know that you and your family will enjoy as my family enjoys this chicken bake. Let's get started. I want to show you my ingredients. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start with my bacon first because, as you know, the bacon is the one that takes the longest to cook. So let's go to the stove and start preparing this bacon. See you over there. I am ready to put my bacon on my skillet. I'm only going to flip it 2 times. I want it nice and crispy. I'll see you back when this is completely done. While my bacon is cooking, I'm going to start with my chicken breast. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and garlic, black pepper on both sides. I am ready to start with this chicken. I am ready to flip them. We want the bacon completely crispy. That's why I only flip them twice. I am ready to remove some of my bacon. And this is how I do it, to take a little bit of the fat away from the bacon. I'll see you when I finish this batch. I am ready to remove the last bacon I have on my skillet. I'll see you. On this same skillet, I have removed the excessive fat, and I'm going to add my chicken breast. And I'll see you when this is done. 3 minutes in each side and my chicken breasts are done. Can't wait to start preparing my chicken bake. I am ready to start cutting my chicken breast. And this is how I cut it in strips. They're still nice and hot. I'm gonna put it here. And this is how I cut every single one. I'll see you when I'm done cutting my chicken breast. I am done cutting my chicken. Now what I'm going to do is start with my bacon. I'm gonna cut my bacon in small pieces. We don't want big pieces on our chicken bake. My house smells delicious with this bacon. Okay, I am done. I am ready to add it here to my chicken. And here to my chicken, I'm gonna add my ranch dressing. I'm going to add my cheese. Okay, and I'm just ready to mix. We just want to incorporate everything together. So when we start doing our chicken bakes, we're just gonna grab a little and put in the center, and we're ready to go. Okay, this is ready. I'm gonna start making my dough for my chicken bakes. I am going to start with my dough. My surface is completely clean. I'm gonna wiggle it a little bit to release the dough. Okay, after it's done, I am going to just put a little bit of all-purpose flour to my surface. Okay, and this is what you're going to do in order to start cutting the pieces for your chicken bake, so you get even pieces. Okay, I'm gonna cut in the center and then make a half and a half. We serve it aside. Okay, and then we're ready to make our chicken bake. Okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna flatten it out. Do it as big or as little as you want. Just make sure that you keep moving it around so it doesn't stick to the surface. As thin as you want. Okay, I am ready to add all my ingredients in the center. And this is how I do it. Okay, what I'm going to do is just pinch all the edges. When this is done, you're gonna get your knife and just cut around it. Okay, I have a baking dish ready. I am going to put it in the baking dish lengthwise like this, and I'm gonna prepare one more. Gonna add a little bit of your all-purpose flour, and we're gonna do the same thing. I love doing these at home for my kids. They really enjoy it. They really love this. The dough recipe you already have on my channel. It's a very easy recipe and it comes out right every time. And be generous with your chicken and all your cheese. Okay, we're gonna pinch the edges so they don't open while they're cooking. With your knife, you're gonna cut the edges. Reserve your dough. Once they are in here, you're gonna make a slight cut, 3 slices. When you have made the 3 slices on each, we're gonna add a little bit of egg white on the top, just a little, to give it that beautiful brown color, golden color. It's 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of water. And when this is done, we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of the cheese, just a little bit, we don't need too much. And we're gonna take it to the oven, 450 Fahrenheit, for only 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll see you when they're coming out of the oven. I am done with my chicken bake. I want to show it to you, how beautiful it looks, and I'm sure that it tastes delicious. I have a little bit of ketchup, a little bit of ranch, and of course my jalapenos that you could add to this recipe. But I am ready to taste this. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. I wish you were here. Excuse me. This came out delicious. I hope you could prepare it at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell so whenever I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Bye-bye.